children, Jai Swaminarayan. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing good at home. In our last session, we had started a new lesson, our environment. We had learned what environment is, what are natural things, and what are man-made things. So children, whatever things we see around us is known as an environment. And whatever things are given to us by nature, they are known as natural things like mountains, hills, rivers, stars, moon, sun, etc. And the things which are made by humans are known as human made things like car, mobile, building, road, chair, table, etc. So all this we have already learned. Now today we are going to learn about living things and non-living things. So children, humans, animals and plants, they are known as living things. And the other things like book, pencil, eraser, chair, table, they are known as non-living things. Now living things breathe. Do you breathe? Yes, all living things breathe. All humans breathe, plants also breathe, and animals also breathe. And that is why they are known as living things. But things like book, pencil, eraser, chair, they do not breathe, and so they are known as non-living things. Now, living things eat food. Do you eat food? Yes, I also eat food. All animals eat food. Plants also need food to grow. So, the things which eat food are called living things. But things like chair, table, cycle, mobiles, they don't eat food, and so they are known as non-living things. Now children, all living things grow. You know, when you were born, you were a small baby, but now you are in second standard and you have grown big. In the same way, animals also grow, plants also grow. So all the things which grow are known as living things, and the things which cannot grow are called non-living things. Now living things can move. You move from one room to another, you move in the playground, in the school. In the same way, animals and birds also move. Birds fly in the sky, and you must have seen fishes swimming in water. Dogs and cats move on the road, and so they are known as living things. But children, have you seen your school bag moving? No. And have you seen your water bottle moving? No. So the things which move are called living things, and things which cannot move, they are known as non-living things. Now children, all living things have feelings. Sometimes you are very happy, sometimes you are sad, sometimes you cry, and in the same way, humans also have feelings. Plants also feel, and so they are known as living things. But there are certain things like chair, table, bed, which do not have any feelings. They don't get angry, they don't feel sad, and so they are known as non-living things. All the things which are written here, they don't have any feelings, and so they are known as non-living things. Now children, do you know that all living things produce or reproduce their young ones? They give birth to young ones. Human beings give birth to their young ones, and there are animals like crocodile, frogs, they lay eggs, and then a young one hatch out of these eggs. Birds also lay eggs. But have you ever heard a non-living thing giving birth to a young one or laying eggs? No. Can a stone lay egg? No. Can a book, pencil, eraser, chair, they give birth to young ones? No. And that is why they are known as non-living things. So children, I hope you have understood difference between living things and non-living things. What we read today was the first thing, that all living things breathe, all living things eat, all living things grow, all living things move, and all living things have feeling. And the last point was, all living things give birth to young ones. So children, I hope you have understood the difference, and now we are going to see some slides for better understanding. So children, we are studying living and non-living things. Now in this picture you can see humans, animals and plants are living things. Living things are different from non-living things. Now in this picture you can see non-living things. So many non-living things you can see. We are living things because we can do many things, but non-living things, they cannot do anything. Now living things breathe. All living things breathe, but non-living things do not breathe. All living things need food to live. Most plants make their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. And humans and animals get their food from plants and animals. Now living things grow and change. You were born, you were a baby. Now you are a big boy. In the same way, the chick grows into a hen. In this picture, you can see a baby plant grows from the seed into a plant, and a chick grows into a hen. A baby grows big. Now all living things move. Birds fly and fish swim. Plants also move. The sunflower turns towards the sun. But non-living things, they do not move. Now living things feel. We drink water when we are thirsty. The leaves of touch-me-not plant close when they are touched, as you can see in this picture. Now when animals feel hot, they cool off themselves. But non-living things like table, top, as you can see in this picture, they cannot feel. Now living things have young ones. Human beings and many animals give birth to young ones. Some animals like frog, hen, they lay eggs and young ones hatch from these eggs. Most plants grow from seeds, and non-living things, they do not give birth to young ones. So these were the differences between the living and the non-living things. I hope children, you have understood this lesson very well. Read the lesson from your textbook. Thank you children, and Jai Swaminarayan.